Div that.
Div that. This is our second instalment of Numbers in Kernewek.
We're going to be covering the numbers 6 to 10, which are Hwegh, Seyth, Seyth, now, Hwegh.
Enjoy.
I'm Hwegh. And I'm Tucker. And we represent Trebubble, Paul Whitted and Sons, injury specialist lawyers. And we've got a question. Have you ever choked on a fat egg? Bumped into or stumbled on or into a discarded tomb or crypt? Had a damaging emotional experience following peeling a vegetable? Been befriended and misled and stolen from by a dastardly gecko? Had a very hot meal? Tripped over a discarded seal in the centre of Bude? Had a situation where your shins dissolved? Been sold an alleged Alsatian? Eaten molten tarmac following poor advice from your foreman? If so, call Trebubble, Paul Whitted and Sons on Hwegh, 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 Hwegh.
Oh, almost forgot me bag for life. Oh, Miraz, Liam. How many turnips we got to get?
Seyth. I ain't saying nothing, Johnny.
Come on, Mr. Trebillcock. I've been doing this all day. We've got ways of making you talk, eh? Don't make me force you to eat a panini filled with my armpit hairs. I'm gonna cut you a deal. It's on the table one last time. How many times have you been missold payment protection insurance, eh?
Okay, Johnny. I can't cope with the panini.
Go on, Liam. Go on, Liam. You can do it. One more. Go on. Go on. How is that?
No.
So there you have it. You've got all the numbers from 1 to 10 in Kernewek. So just to recap, we've got Onan, down, tree, Peswar,
Pymp, pimp.
Hwegh, Seyth, now, Hwegh. So the language is yours. You can use it if you want, or maybe use it if you don't. Yeah!
Oh,